Why is cushioning important in an orthotic, and aren't hard orthotics more controlling? Hi guys, it's Kent here, the podiatrist from Ergonics, and today we're talking about why cushioning is important in an orthotic innersole and how it can actually help to control your foot. So the reason why we put cushioning into an orthotic innersole is because when our heel strikes the ground, there can be sometimes up to 4 times your body weight going through your heel in pressure. So what we aim to do is, if we can cushion up the heel at heel strike, what it means is that we spread the peak force that goes through your heel over a longer period of time, and so the force that is applied to the heel won't be as great at any one instant. So, for example, how we do that is with an orthotic innersole like the Orthotics Ultra Soft. We've got these really nice pour-on cushioning positions in the heel and forefoot, and you can see, so as your foot strikes the ground, the rear foot will be loaded up, and the rear foot cushioning will help to spread the force out over a greater area and also over a greater time. So it'll just reduce the amount of load that goes through your heel, feet and knees. You'll also notice that we've got them in the forefoot and toe sections of the orthotic innersole. This helps to, as you go in progression from heel to toe, the pressure is reduced through the whole gait cycle. So that's what we do with the pour-on cushioning positions in our orthotics. The other thing, we make our orthotic innersoles out of a really nice soft polyurethane foam, so this further enhances the cushioning in the orthotic innersoles. So the main idea of the cushioning positions and the cushioning material in the orthotic is to reduce the forces that are applied across the foot, and it will make them more comfortable across your workday and in your running shoes and in your work shoes. Now, if we use a harder orthotic, basically they do the very similar sort of things, but just without the force that's applied through the heel will be more than in a soft orthotic. The harder orthotic will rely more on the medial arch support, so it'll help to stop the foot from rolling in as much and help to slow down the overall pronation, or the amount of pronation, or how fast your foot pronates more. So we also do that with our soft orthotics. We've got this really nice long, high medial arch support, which helps to slow pronation as well, and that also reduces the forces that are applied to the foot. So that's, in a nutshell, a simplified version of why we use a cushioned orthotic innersole. Now, the common question we get asked as well is, if the orange section here is the best cushioning material, why don't we make the entire orthotic out of that? And it's a great question, and the reason is the pour-on is a really great shock-absorbing cushioning material, but it's a lot heavier than the polyurethane foam. So we only use it in the really hard wearing sections, and then the polyurethane foam, it will wear hard enough for the non-high wearing sections, so it won't wear out too quickly. So the pour-ons are a heavier, harder wearing material, so we put this in the high impact areas, and the polyurethane is a lighter material, so we use it for the bulk of the orthotic innersole. So that is the Ergonics Ultra Soft Orthotic Innersole, and they're great for adding more comfort to your shoes, supporting your feet and treating foot pains.